Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we are back again and we are doing another Ms. and Miss subscription box unboxing. I want to apologize because I believe in my last video I pronounced the box name wrong. So I greatly apologize for that, but this is the Ms. and Miss box. So for this box, it is $24.99 a month. These are the July boxes. This is a box that a mom and her 14-year-old daughter have put together. There are 3 separate boxes, and then we have some coupon codes. If you would like 10% off of your first box, you would use the code PR10OFF, and that is for the monthly boxes or the 3-month prepaid box subscription. Or if you would like 20% off your first box, that would be PR20OFF, and that is for the 6-month subscription plan or the 12-month subscription plan. So I have already unboxed one box from them, so if you would like to check that out to see what kind of boxes they have to offer, I will link that down below for you guys to go check out. I will also link their website down below for you guys to go and check out their website as well. So if you would like to see what's in this box, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okie dokie. I am so excited. If you haven't already, you should go and check out my previous unboxing that I did from this company. It is every tool a girl needs, and this puppy right here had 17 different products in it. You heard me right. 17. Okay, so let's pop into this box and see what we got. Okay. Yes, I am, oh my gosh. So this is a box from home, and I'm so excited already. So we got our card with all of the items. That's a long list. I'm so excited. Okay, so first of all, let me give you guys a little sneak peek and you'll see why I'm so excited. Yes, I'm so excited for this. Okay. Let's pop in here. So first, right off the bat, we have a bag of Jolly Ranchers hard candies. I absolutely love these. So yay, awesome. Okay, and then again, this is another box completely stuffed to the brim. Okay, then we got some Sour Patch Kids right there. Yum, love those. I did want to show you guys another little sneak peek. Okay, packed. And something smells absolutely delicious in here. So let's get some of these little crinkles out. I love that they don't pack the box too full of these. So that's good. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, so in my last unboxing, I got like ridiculously excited about hand sanitizer. Now I'm so super stoked because I got some Q-tips. Because I just moved into my house, I don't have any right now, and I have been going literally out of my mind without Q-tips. I'm super OCD about cleaning my ears. So, oh my gosh, so helpful. Yay. Okay. Oh, awesome. We got some Crest Pro Health Toothpaste. Whitening gel. Yes. Awesome. We got some little Kleenex on the go. That'll be very, very helpful to throw in the diaper bag when me and the boys go out. Yay. Oh, and there's little snacks I can set aside for the boys when they come home. Those little like breadsticks and then the cheese. Yummy. Ooh, little mini Slim Jims, and we get 2 of them. So I'll probably eat these before the boys come home, because I don't know if you guys ever knew this or if I ever told you guys. Kason Ray has an allergy that's very odd and very hard to navigate around, but we're figuring it out. But he's allergic to peppers. And not just like black pepper, not just bell peppers, jalapenos, paprika, like every single thing that falls under the pepper umbrella family. Seriously, Google it. There is more peppers in the pepper family than I ever thought there were. And he is very allergic to them. He breaks out on his face. His cheeks turn bright red. He has potty problems. It's bad. So these will be for mommy. That's for sure. Ooh, yummy. I love these things. So we got a single pouch of the it's the stuff you put in to flavor your water. These help me to get my water in to stay hydrated because I don't really like drinking water, so these make it easier. And this is in the flavor Fruit Juicy Red Hawaiian Punch. Okay, I'll have to save this for Zach. He absolutely loves these. It's a moon pie. If you guys have never had a moon pie, which I hadn't until I had met Zach, they are absolutely delicious. And if you put them in the microwave and you heat them up, the marshmallow in the middle expands. And then it becomes like this gooey, very messy, delicious treat. I highly recommend it. Okay, and then we got some Scope mouthwash, which all of this stuff is so great because, again, I just moved in to my new apartment. This is looking a lot like a snack box. Like if you guys remember the snack box I had opened not too long ago from Think Outside the Box. This one's really cool because not only does it have snacks, and a lot of them, it also has other little cool household items. So I think that's really cool about this box. Okay. And then we got some spaghetti and meatballs Chef Boyardee. It's the one where you can put it in the microwave. That's yummy. And then, ooh, we got a Rice Krispie treats. Yes. Wow, there's just more and more and more. So here is a peanut and M&M's fun size. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have a snack night. A white chocolate Twix. I've never seen a Twix in white chocolate before. That'll be interesting. And then a cookies and cream Twix. I didn't know they made these ones. I freaking love Twix. Twix and Kit Kat, I swear. Ah, yummy. Okay, and then we have a Palm Olive Classic Scent Mild All Family Soap. Yay. Bar soap. Nice. And then we have a almond Snickers. Ooh, and more of those little drink mixes. Oh, this is instant coffee crystals. That will go to Zach. And a 0 sugar Kool-Aid on the go, which is always great because I'm really, well, not tonight. I'm not looking out for my sugar intake tonight because I'm going to eat a lot of snacks. But for when I'm watching my sugar intake, that is super awesome. And oh my gosh, no way. Double the fun. 2 Sour Patch Kids. That's awesome. New package, same amount of kids. Okay. Sweet. Yummy. Okay, so I think this is what smells good, which is super awesome. I'm going to put this in my bathroom. Oh, it is Pure Ocean Breeze, and that's what it looks like. And I've always thought these looked really funny. How do you open them again? I forgot. Oh, right here. So you pull this little tab, and then you just twist it. Oh. Okay. And then you twist this up, and it's like this weird little jelly thing in there. And it smells absolutely divine, and it neutralizes the odors in your house. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful scent. Love it. Okay, there's only a couple more things. So we have sun-kissed fruit bites. I absolutely love sun-kissed fruit snacks. One of my faves. And then we got some Flips Minis white fudge covered pretzels. Yes. And it looks like a bouncy ball. Okay, and that's everything we have in our box. So let's count it up really quick and recap. So we got a bouncy ball. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Keeping in mind, this box is $24.99. The same price as Boxycharm. You get about 5 products in Boxycharm for $25. We're getting 24. This is such a great box. I absolutely love it. Please let me know down below what you guys think of this box. Be sure to go back and watch the tool unboxing. And I love you guys so, so very much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.